In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $6,145 in commission just in 15 days promoting Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. Just by promoting digital product, not physical products. I will share with you which products I'm promoting, how do I find a profitable products, how do I use free traffic from YouTube, and so much more. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of September until the day 15th of September, so it's this month. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account. As you can see, guys, I can scroll down, I can click here, I have reports, tools, promotion, home, and so on. Okay, anyway, so for people who want to start making money with Amazon associate affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon associate like this. Click on the first link over here like this. As you can see, you will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So you should see your commissions here, promotion tools, and so on. What you will do next is you need to choose this digital product that I will share with you, and you should start promoting this one using YouTube. Okay, so step number two, go to Google and search for Amazon. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this Amazon website over here. Okay, after you finish your sign up process with Amazon affiliate. Okay, so this will be, so just open this Amazon account like this. Click over here on the search for YouTube. Search for YouTube. Okay, so since we will promote our digital products on YouTube, we will search for digital products related to YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube on Amazon, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1, like sellers who has a lot of reviews. Like for example, let me show you as an example, like this one. You guys can see this one has over 3,000 reviews. Over 3,000 people paid for this digital product. It's a YouTube secret. It's a digital product that will help you to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to click on this digital product like this. So just click on this digital product and you will be directly in this digital product page, as you can see. Okay, what you will do next, you will scroll down, keep scrolling down, so you will find products related to this item. Keep scrolling down like this. So just keep scrolling down and go over here to videos. Okay, you should see here videos, so click over here. Let me see, and we have customer review, which is really good, like this one. I will click on this video. So what you will do, click on this video like this. Just click on the video.
Hey there, are you a YouTube creator or maybe...
So you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, double click on the video. Okay, so pay attention, double click and click over here. Let me show you. Click on open video in new tab like this. Click on open video in new tab and you will be directly in this page over here. Let me show you.
Hey there,
You see?
are you a YouTube...
You see this? This is a review about this digital product. So this person, this customer, is already paid for this digital product and he is sharing his experience and if this digital product is really good or not. Okay, and as you can see, I think this digital product is good. This customer is happy. Let's see.
creator or maybe you're thinking about starting. Well, if that's the case, then I have a great solution for what you need today, and that is the YouTube Secrets book from Sean.
You guys can see this person is satisfied with this digital product. So what you will do, you will click over here on this 3 points and click on download. Okay, download this video to your laptop. After you finish, go to Google and search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva, click on the first link. You will be directly in this page. If you don't have an account on Canva, it's for free. You just need to sign up by using your email address, and that's it. Click over here on more and click over here. Let me show you. Click on video. So you should see here video. Click on video. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon, this one, about this digital product. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. You guys can see.
Hey there.
Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use, which one you like. Just use simple one and good one. I'm going to use this one. So just click on the text and your text will be over here. And I will delete this second one. And I will decrease the font size of this text like this. And I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, like this. Okay, after you finish, click on elements, scroll down. So let me show you. Scroll down over here and go to shapes. Okay, let me see. I should find here this one. Okay, go to shapes. I will use this one, the black one. Click on color and use black color. Okay, so let me put this. So first I will put this shape behind my text like this, and I'm gonna change the color. Click on design. I will click on this shape. I will click here on color and I will choose black color like this. You guys can see. Check link in my description. I will put my Amazon affiliate link for this digital products in my YouTube description. Okay, and here you go. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel, and what you will do for your title, use this one. How to grow your, use this title, how to grow your YouTube channel. So people who are searching for how to grow YouTube channel, they will be interested to buy this digital product, to buy this YouTube secret. Okay, this one, they will be interested to buy this digital product from you to grow their YouTube channel, to learn how they can grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and after that you will come to this digital digital product page on Amazon. Click on text and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this digital products. All you need to do, you just need to click and copy your Amazon affiliate link, go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. If you guys can rank your videos in the first page of the search results for those people who are searching for how to grow your YouTube channel, if they can find your video in the first page, they will click and they will watch your video and they will check your YouTube description, they will buy this digital products from you and you will earn commissions. That's how it works. The business model is clear. No one is sharing this method before. Let me know if you already watched a video like this one, sharing with you this method about Amazon affiliates, like those methods. No one is sharing like those methods, guys. Okay, Those methods, even you can't find these methods on in any course. Okay, you guys can go even and buy any course, you will not find any methods like this. Okay, and so to avoid any copyright issue, guys, upload this video as Creative Commons. Okay, so you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube, and that's fine, and you can use this method and start promoting your Amazon digital product on YouTube. That's it. This is the method that I'm using to earn commissions every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. If you guys have any question, if you want me to share with you more methods how to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more, comment Amazon affiliate and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods. Okay, and that's it. See you in my next video. I hope you guys appreciate this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and that's it.